There is a post on Instagram and YouTube which is going viral. There is a person by the name Mr. Sanjeev Vikchandani who invested in Zomato 86 crore rupees some years back, and his investment value today is more than 32,000 crores. Yes, so we are talking today about startup investments and how these startup investments can be a game changer in one's portfolio. But these startup investments comes with their own risk and own rewards. So today we are talking about, I would say, not directly about the startup investments, but we are talking about the category 1 alternative investment funds which invest into startups, and the funds are called angel funds. So here are top 3 disadvantages of Cat 1 angel funds. So first disadvantage is that capital gets locked in for a very long time. So angel funds invest in very early stage companies, and sometimes the companies can be at the idea stage or at the implementation stage. This means that there can be no liquidity for next 7 to 10 years, which is the typical time horizon of this fund. So if you are looking for visibility, flexibility, then these angel funds might feel uncomfortable in one's portfolio. The second is very few winners derive all the returns. Like we saw, Zomato has been a game changer for Mr. Sanjeev. Though Mr. Sanjeev has a listed entity by the name InfoEdge and he is known for his startup investments. But actually, when we talk about a normal investor or a normal fund manager, there are very few winners which derive all the returns. So in angel investing or in startup investing, most startups fail or stagnate, and very handful startups derive and generate meaningful returns which contribute on the overall returns in the portfolio. So this can test investors' patience, especially when nothing seems going right for a long periods. So silence sometimes does not mean failure, but emotionally it's very hard to digest that you have to hold your investments for a long time. The third is valuation risk is real. So early startups don't have stable cash flows or clear benchmarks, and they are neither listed on NSE or BSE. So the fund manager or the someone who is directly investing in startups often rely based on vision, team quality, and market potential. So even good businesses can be also overvalued because there is no clear benchmark how to derive the valuation in a startup. So this was all about top 3 disadvantages of a Cat 1 angel funds. In case if you are exploring PMS or alternative investment funds, you can get in touch with us. Thank you.